Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I want to talk a little bit about when you're driving and you smell a burning oil smell coming out of your vent. We're going to talk about what causes that and how you can fix it. Let's go ahead and get started. So you're driving, and regardless of what your setting is on, whether it's hot or cold, it doesn't matter. But especially if you have it pulling from the outside air, you'll notice that. But if you turn it on, you'll start to smell a burning smell coming through here. And what I'm talking about is a burning oil smell. There's other smells that can come through your vent that we're not going to talk about that could pertain to, coolant leaking, or if you have like an electrical issue going on. But I'm talking about a clear burning oil smell. And a lot of times that can be alarming because you don't know what's going on and you don't want to fool around with that. So you want to make sure that you diagnose it and get it fixed. And you'll notice that a lot of times, as mentioned, if you have the outside vent turned on, because as the burning odor is under the hood, it's going to come through that vent and you'll get it very strong. A lot of times that's caused by oil that's leaking and falling onto the hot exhaust, and then it's burning, and then that smells under the hood, and then it's coming through the vent. So let's head outside. I'm going to pop the hood and I'll show you what to look for, because most of the time this is going to be your problem. So if we pop the hood here, what we're going to be looking at, we're going to be looking around the valve cover. A lot of times if your valve cover gasket is starting to go, oil can seep out through there and it'll trickle down, it'll hit the exhaust, the hot engine, and that's what you're going to smell burning. So let's remove this plastic cover so we can take a look. Let's bring the camera in here up close and let's start taking a look and see if we can see anything. This is our valve cover right here, this whole piece up here up top. Now this particular vehicle, this is a Kia Rio, a 2013 Kia Rio. If you want to see the video where I show how to replace the valve cover on this, in case you're watching this and that's the vehicle that you have, I'll have a link across the top, also down in the description. If not, you'll have to check, either online or the manual for your vehicle on how to replace it. But if we come in here, let's take a look. Or you can see, look how wet it is in here. All down in there, you can see some oil, some wetness. Let's get closer. Look how wet it is in there. Those are your ring seals that go around where the ignition coil packs and spark plugs are down in there, in those shafts right there. You have little ring seals that go around there. Those need to be replaced as well. Look at that, all wet. But let's come out here. And here on our valve cover, you can see how it looks wet along here. That's not good. Let's come. All along here, look at that. It's wet here, around in here. This valve cover gasket is definitely bad, but what's happening, let's head back this way. You can see along there. As oil drips back, here's our, right here, this is our exhaust manifold going to our catalytic converter. Oil hits that, that's going to burn. That's what you're going to smell as that trickles back. But just in general here as well, looking down in there, all that oil coming and leaking through, that's all going to be burning, and you're going to be smelling that as that's coming through the open vent when that's open to the outside air. Let's come here on this side. Look at that. Looking down in there. Yeah. Definitely signs of oil leaking all along there. And that's not good, because you want that dry right there, because first of all, the oil leaking out, you want to make sure that you're always checking your oil levels, because you don't want to be running low on your oil. So if you're having that problem with your vehicle, definitely keep up on your oil levels. But that dripping out, hitting the hot engine and the exhaust, that's going to burn, and that's what's coming through your vent. So most of the time, that's your problem, is you want to check your valve cover gaskets and make sure that they're not leaking. If they are, you want to replace them. So let's go ahead and swap this one out and replace that. So let's pull this up. We're going to lift it. And then just pull it out this way. Here's the old gasket. Came off as we were pulling it out, but this thing is all squashed down, which is what's contributing to the leaking. Now that we have this on, we're ready to put it in place. So we're going to bring this in, but you want to make sure that nothing falls out on the way in. So we're going to hold it along the edge so we're not interfering with it. Bring it in gently in the position. Move everything out of the way. Because the last thing we want is to mess with what we just put in. And then gently just slide it in. Everything has been torqued. What I'm going to do is just go around one more time, make sure I didn't miss anything. So we're going to start here at the top. We can see it all along here. That looks good. Let's head around to the other side. Here we can see the blue showing. That's good. With all that now replaced, we'll put this back on. And that takes care of it. That'll take care of our oil leak, which will also take care of the burning oil smell, and that way we don't have any issues. But as mentioned at the beginning, you want to make sure if you're smelling that, you want to check this out. If you don't feel comfortable doing it yourself, or if you're unsure if that's a problem, you definitely want to get it checked. You don't want to be driving around with that oil smell, that burning oil smell. But that wraps up this video on just diagnosing and fixing what the problem is when you're smelling the oil smell coming through the vent on this particular vehicle. As we saw, definitely the valve cover gaskets were leaking really bad. Oil was getting onto the engine and the exhaust and burning, and that was causing the issue. Please send me any questions and comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope this video helped you out if you're having that same issue. And as always, I appreciate all the support. So please like the video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.